A vibrant raga derived from the 66th Mela Chitrambari, Amritavarshini evokes joy and happiness. It has 5 notes in the ascending and descending scale. Shedja, Antaragandhara, Pratimadhyama, Panchama, Kakali Nishada make up for the beauty of this raga. Rishabha and Gandhara are the notes omitted. Gandhara and Nishada play a prominent role in bringing out the elegance of the raga. This raga shines well in phrases both medium and fast-paced. It reminds the listeners of dark clouds and lightning producing showers with joyous and rhythmic patter of raindrops. The raga calls for rains, where the peacocks prepare themselves by arranging feathers ready to dance to the rhythm of the rumbling clouds. Rag Malashri. Malashri belongs to Kalyan Thaat. It is an Audav Jati rag. It is a very pleasing rag which is very close to Amritavarshini of Carnatic classical music. This rag is not popular in Hindustani music despite being a very beautiful one. Swaras used are Shuddha, Tivrama, Pancham and Shuddhani. The rag is laden with intricate phrases, revealing only to hard practice and pursuit.
Sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma pa ga ma ga sa Ah